Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you see a message like there was a problem with server 400 on your YouTube app, to fix this, I will tell you some simple methods by which you will be able to correct it very easily. Let's do it. First of all, you have to turn on the flight mode of your phone for 5 seconds and then turn it off. Second, you have to go to your YouTube app and press and hold it and click this icon and clock your app by clicking on Force Stop. After this, you have to go to Play Store and search YouTube and update it, then join beta. Again, go to YouTube app info and clear cache. And go to permission section and allow all the option. After doing all this, you have to check the app again. Your problem is definitely solved.